Hi guys, welcome to Dollar Tree Tuesday. So unfortunately, I had actually filmed Dollar Tree Tuesday as I was shopping through Dollar Tree. And for whatever reason, I lost all that footage. So I'm just going to go through and show you what I got, okay? So, this is in no random order. But the first thing I got, I found these coloring books. Now, I shared these with my Monday morning live yesterday, and these are beautiful. This is it says "My Mother, My Heart," and these are so pretty. I'm gonna copy a couple of pages, but I actually picked this up to send to somebody. It's a book, so I can send it through media mail. And then the other one I found is Wuthering Heights. Who knew? Look at this. This is the inside page, and then it has this. And then the pages are really nice color pages. But it's also the story, a shortened version, of course, of Wuthering Heights. But it's just a really pretty book. And these books retailed for $15.99, if you can see that. So, I mean, they were, to get for $1, that's pretty amazing, I think. Okay, so what else did I get? Okay, so I got some coin wrappers. I have tons of change I need to wrap up. And then on that, I got some paper plates from when I'm too lazy to wash dishes. And the only food item I got today are some mushrooms. These are mushroom bits and pieces, and they're good, just like regular mushrooms are. I mean, it's nothing earth-shattering about that. But that's what I got. And then, Easter. Some Easter stuff. Oh, let me show you the other thing I got. My dogs are waiting. Doggy treats. Okay, so then I went down the aisle that has all the cards and stuff on, and they have their handmade cards out. Now, yes, I know I make cards, but this one was beautiful. I'm sorry for the glare. I thought this was so pretty, and I actually might try to recreate that card myself, so that's why I picked it up. And then I picked up, of course, this right here, the lacy ribbon. I always get one of those, you know. And then I got a lock. And let me tell you why I got this lock and key. I have no idea if it's any good, but okay, so I have a storage building, and I went to show somebody a hot water heater I'm trying to sell, and we got there, and my keys had fallen off my key ring because I left them on this little metal thing and just looped that on my key ring. Well, they fell off, and I couldn't get in my storage building, so now I got to get the lock cut off. And it's one of those round circle ones. It's a nice lock. But you can't reach it with the bolt cutters because we tried. So I had to get the storage building to replace that, but I need a lock to do it. And then Thursday Night Live, I decided that I'm going to do start an Ultra book on Thursday Night Live because my friend Angie, hi Angie, wanted me to show her how to do it. Now, I picked up this book, and if you want to get one and do it with me, I'm going to show you. The books right here, if you can see, they look like each page is glued in. And this is the type of book that you want. You don't want one that looks like it has groups of signatures that are sewed in, because it's very difficult to do. And so I just thought this was a nice book, and I like the color purple, so I'm going to do something to it, but I may not paint the book or anything. But that's what this is for. This is for Thursday Night Live. So I got that. And then they came out with their spring line of stuff, and I needed some more organizational things for my craft room to get started. So let me just take all this out of the bag at one time. The pink stuff is back. So I got one of these trays. Now, these are really nice trays. They hold 8.5 by 11 paper, but I actually usually put my paper in these. My 8.5 by 11, the whites and stuff. Right now, I have them in trays, like the little stackable trays, but I need to separate some more paper out. So I got that. I got 2 of those. Only got 1 of these wide trays though. And then I got 2 of these baskets because I like to use these tall baskets to stack things in. And I'm actually thinking about when putting my made cards in these little baskets right here. And then I just picked up a little pink trash can because I needed a trash can in there. So that was that stuff. Oh, but wait, there's more. And my Dollar Tree manager in there, she asked me if I wanted to job. And I'm like, well, I don't know. I have to think about that. I'll have to call and check with somebody to see if I can actually work a part-time job. I said, you know, it's not going to be good, though, because, you know, what'll happen. Okay, so then I found these little terrariums. I thought they were so cute. I only got 1, but I thought it was so cute. And I have so many of the succulents laying around the house, so I thought I would make some of those. And then I have the little rocks like this from Gareth, and I can use them in there. Picked up some nasal spray for my brother. And then I love my Dawn dishwashing detergent. Yes, I know, I probably could get a better value, but this is concentrated. It's only $1, and I love it. I got me some more hair ties. And then, you know, I've been boasting about these socks for weeks now. I finally got the last 2 pair in the store. I love these things. They're so comfortable. They're thick. They're cushiony. All right, now for the good thing I found. Okay, you ready for this? I found the new collection. This is by the Crown Jewels line. And these are little notebooks, and they would make awesome little traveler's notebooks or journals. So, but I got this one and this one that says, Be Happy, Be You. So that came with the set. And then these little puffy stickers came with it. Whoops, sorry for the glare. Aren't those not adorable? And then the pineapple little notebook. And the Happy Thoughts, this little stationery pad, which I think would go nice in the back of a notebook. Maybe not a traveler's note, but a journal kind of like. And in the back. And then they had the take note, these little notes here. So all this is a set. And I really wanted to pick up more than 1 set, but I really couldn't afford it. So I only got 1. I probably shouldn't have picked up all of these, but they were so cute. And the little notebook. And then I found these stickers at the checkout line. And they're little butterfly stickers. But aren't these cute? These are not like, you know, the other ones that came in the blister pack. These are not like that. These are colorful. So I just thought those were really pretty. So I just picked up 1 of those. So, but I'm loving these little bunny Easter baskets, y'all. Okay, so they come in pink and blue. These are made out of canvas. And they're really nice, and they even have a felt heart that's dimensional on there. And then they have like little blue ears and little pink ears. So these are for my grandchildren. And I just love them. They're so nicely. And they're sturdy, nicely constructed. I was very impressed with that. So those are my favorite finds for today. This and this collection right here. Love that. And my coloring books. I just think that's so cool. Alright guys, that's it for my Dollar Tree haul for today. So if you like my haul, give it a thumbs up and rush right out and try to find these. I know this collection will not be there very long. So they had some other cute stuff. So if I get a chance to go back to Dollar Tree, I'm going to film my 5 favorite things for Dollar Tree and just take you in the store and show you my 5 favorite areas or whatever. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure if you have not subscribed to my channel, you hit that subscribe button and then Click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. All right, thank you so much. Have an awesome day, and I will see you soon. Bye.